Welcome back. After our last discussion on the importance of business acumen for medical affairs, I felt it was crucial to dive deeper into how business acumen can help us communicate our achievements and demonstrate the business impact of our medical initiatives. The idea and the concept for today's episode came from thinking about the most effective ways to communicate within our field. The key to making an impression is to speak their language, the leader's language. And by language, I don't mean here English, French, or any other linguistic tongue. I mean the language of the business strategy. This approach is not just applicable for CEOs, it applies for any leader, particularly those in commercial roles within the pharmaceutical industry, say a regional president, a global commercial president, or any title that can be considered a senior leader in the pharmaceutical industry. So, how to communicate and impress those high profile leaders? First and foremost, we must invest time to understand the business strategy that guides our organization, which is led by those leaders. Once we have mastered the strategy, we are ready to communicate effectively with the leaders by speaking this shared strategic language. Before engaging with those leaders, it's essential also to select the right content that resonates deeply with their strategic objectives. For example, if you know that a leader is frequently discussing the importance of successfully launching a new molecule, your communication should be focused on how your actions and decisions have supported this goal. Another example, when you know that your leaders prioritize certain investments or certain projects or certain directions, you can demonstrate how your projects align and support these strategic decisions. To summarize, by aligning our discussions with the strategic language of our leaders, we not only communicate more effectively, but also underscore the vital impact of our work in medical affairs. Thank you and see you soon.